On December 4th, the 6th grade participated in the Project Challenge Assembly in the Grinker Gym. Project Challenge is part of the SEL curriculum in 6th to 8th grade. Students practice teamwork and communication skills while climbing high ropes courses and rock walls.
Some 6th graders shared their favorite part of Project Challenge and how they felt after they climbed.
My favorite part of Project Challenge is overcoming obstacles with my friends.
My favorite part of Project Challenge this year was getting to do challenges with my friends.
It felt great, and it felt awesome when I reached the top of the pergola.
Now, some faculty told us about how they felt about Project Challenge.
I really love emceeing this assembly because I know all the students so well, and I'm proud to point out their achievements to their families who have never seen this, and to the younger students so they have someone to look up to.
Yeah, it feels great. I remember when they start, there's a lot of people are nervous. It's really great to see everybody like more confidence and using more teamwork as they move through the program, and it's especially great to see the 8th graders able to belay and lead, keeping the 6th graders safe through the whole climbing process.
Reporting for the Meadowbrook Minute, I'm Calais.
And I'm Teddy.